So life about the bend straight to email like this. Good day, everyone. You all are welcome. Good morning from here. Good morning. What the 5 people now? Thank you, my viewers. You all are welcome. I'm so happy seeing some of you here on my live stream. This is my first time of going live on YouTube. Thank you very much. You all are welcome. I'm here to talk about our upcoming conference. Our conference is holding tomorrow, which is 29, and it will extend to the 30th of August 2025. It's a 2 days program. I'm here to tell our people to support this conference. You know, there are so many things that we have to do in that conference. We have paid for hotel rooms that our guests will stay when they come. All the guest lecturers are coming today. They are all coming today. Professors like Pat Otomi, Chido Swago, Professor Oponel Shago, Professor Iwonye, Professor Rabueze. They are all, and Professor Obasigwe, they are all coming today. They are coming today against tomorrow and the next to lecture. The reason why we are doing this is to make sure that the Igbo race is united as a people. This conference is aiming to bring the Igbos, indigenous in 13 Nigeria states, together as one people. Igbos in Kogi are coming, Igbos in Benue are coming, Igbos in Cross River, Edo, Bayelsa, Delta, Rivers, and so on. People from Opobo are coming to lecture. Our keynote speaker is from Ikwere. Our chairman is from Ikwere. 2 chairmen are coming to chair the program. The first one is from Ikwere, and the second one is from Anambra State. You see, so this conference is not something that people will just overlook it. This is a conference that is featuring well-known, respected lecturers. We want to pay for accommodation, we want to pay for logistics, for dancers that are coming. There are cultural dancers that are coming from Nsukka. We also have cultural dancers that are coming from Okwane. We have some that are coming from Ikwere. We have to pay for their accommodation and also their feeding. So that is why we are calling for this fundraising, if you can support the conference in any way you can, is a welcome development. So we are saying that our brothers should support the conference. We need your support to make this conference a success. So that is why I'm here today. I know it's very late already because I was live on TikTok and so many of our brothers there supported. So I decided to come live here on YouTube to see if any of our brothers can support the conference. Igbo unification movement is one of a kind. You know, some people will be like, these people won't take this move by cash out. We know that so many people in Igbo land have been using different kind of movements to scam the Igbos, which is very bad. Igbo unification movement is not like that. We are a separate set of people. For some time now, we have been working tirelessly. Those that have been following me know how we have been working to make sure that Igbos are united. Anambra State agitation that we are seeing today, we started Anambra State agitation. We visited Senator. We told him that we want him to start agitating for Anambra State, and he honored our invitation, and that's what we are seeing today. So we have done what we can, and we will still do more. You see, now the reason for this conference is because so many Igbo people are saying that they are not Igbo people. Remember Uchi Obogo, remember Ajay. So many Igbo people are saying that they are not Igbo people. They are saying that we are just Okwani, we are not Igbo, we are just Ikwere, we are not Igbo, we are just Oshimiri, we are not Igbo, we are just Anyocha, we are not Igbo, we are just Ogbaekpe, we are not Igbo. And it's affecting them greatly because they are still being marginalized. The country still sees them as Igbo. Imagine saying you are not Igbo, but the country sees you as Igbo, calls you Igbo, treats you like Igbo. We Okwane people, so many Okwane people have been denying their Igbo identity, and that thing is isolating Okwane land. If you come to Okwane land, there is no development, nothing is going on in Okwane land. Why? They keep denying their Igbo identity. Chukwu created us and made us to be the Igbo that we are today. So there is no amount of denial that will make the world not to see us as Igbo people. We Okwane people, Eka people, Oshimiri Anocha people, Ikwere people, our language is Igbo language. Igbo language. We speak Igbo language, we practice Igbo culture and tradition. Our masquerades are Igbo masquerades. Our food is Igbo, our dressing is Igbo, our dance is Igbo, culture and tradition is Igbo, spirituality is Igbo, migration is Igbo. We are Igbo people. So I don't understand why our people will be saying that they're not Igbo people. The war played a major role on Igbo identity. That is why you see so many people saying that they're not Igbos because of what they experienced during that war. Because of what they experienced during that war. Our people were hunted down, our people were killed massively during that war. So many Okwane people started saying that they are not Igbo people. just to stay alive. In one of my videos that I just posted a few days ago, Brigadier General Godwin Alabi Isama, his father is from Okwane land. His father is from Okwane land, and his mother is from Kwara State, a Yoruba woman. His mother said that immediately after the coup, the 1966 coup, that she was coming back from Zaria to Kaduna, and on their way, inside that bus that she entered, she saw two couples, a man and his wife. They were talking and they were speaking Okwane. So that his mother, who have lived in Okwane before, started speaking Okwane with the two couples. They got to a checkpoint where there are Nigerian troops. They stopped that vehicle. They brought down that Okwane man and his wife, only the two of them, and killed them at the spot. Why did they kill them? Because they speak Igbo language, because they are Igbo people. Out of everybody with the inside bus, now only that husband and wife, now they kill. This will tell you that we are Igbo people. There's no amount of denial. Northerners call us Igbo. Our neighbors in this south that are not Igbo people call us Igbo people. So who are we to deny it? It's so bad you see someone bearing I tell you that he's not Igbo. You see someone bearing a fine tell you that he's not Igbo. It does not make any sense. So that is why we are here telling our people that we are Igbo people. We are Igbo people. We are not we South Igbos are not different from Southeast Igbos. Politics is the major thing that is dividing the Igbo race. Politics. Everyone wants to be the best. Everyone wants to stay on his own. That is why you see Ikwere organization saying that Ikwere people are not Igbos, because they believe, say, they will make everything where they come, they enter their pockets. It's very bad. Okwane organizations, they are saying that they are not Igbo people, saying that Okwane is not Igbo. Well, they are not speaking up for themselves alone. They are not speaking up for the entire Okwane people. So many Okwane people identify as Igbo. We must never allow politics to divide us. We must never allow those among us that don't think straight to divide us. What is the benefit of disuniting just to get money? How much they won't pay you? How much they won't give you? If Kaduna Zogo is from Ikwere, other tribes will say that the coup is an Igbo coup. If Kaduna Zogo is from Ikwere, they will call it an Igbo coup. If Kaduna Zogo is from Okwane, they will call it an Igbo coup. If Kaduna Zogo is from Oba, they will call it an Igbo coup. If he's from Ekpeye, they will still call it an Igbo coup. So, you go just deny for where the law of Delta states recognize Anyama people as Igbo people. Okwane people are called Igbo. Okwane people are called Igbo by the government of Delta states. Ika people are called Igbo. Enoane people are called Igbo by Lagos state governments. If you check our migration history, you will see that we all are connected. If we are not connected, we will not be using Ofo. If we are not connected, we will not be using the 4 market days. If we are not connected, we will not be eating the same food. We won't have the same dance. We won't have the same culture and tradition. That is why we are here. Preaching Igbo unity to our people, reminding them that we are Igbo people. Remain blessed, Emeka Shinobi. Remain blessed. Uche Obogo. Remain blessed. Ajay. What will it profit an Igbo speaking community to gain the whole world and still be denying their Igbo identity? The other time, I made a post where a man from Ibuzo, who is well known to be fighting Igbo unification, coming out to say that we should stop forcing Anema people to identify as Igbo, that everyone has the right to identify with whatever they want to identify with. So if Anema people say that they are not Igbo, we should leave them alone. I saw the man and I was like, everybody they give face, but I have to reply. Why we reply some of these people is to use them to pass a message. Remain blessed, EDD, remain blessed. We are using those people to pass a message. How you go to Ibuzo not be Igbo community? That man have been saying that Ibuzo is not an Igbo community. Ibuzo people migrated from Isu. Isu are Igbo groups. There's an Igbo group called Isu. They are majorly located in Imo State and in Anambra State. Isu people, there are some migrants from Isu that came from Isu and founded Ibuzo. Ibuzo community is called Ibuzo Isu. Now, Ibuzo people still speak that Igbo language. They practice Igbo culture, tradition, everything. And someone is telling us not to call Ibuzo people Igbo, that we should leave them to identify with whatever they want to identify with. We will never allow such a thing to work. We can't allow such a thing to work because it makes no sense. It don't make sense. People that have Igbo ancestry. So if they now start saying, hey, we are not Igbo people, we are Yoruba people, we're going to keep them quiet, leave them. Hey, everyone should identify with what they want to identify with. We will never allow such a thing to happen. We are called Igbo unification movement, and it's our duty to unify the Igbo race. We don't care to know whether we don't want to identify as Igbo or we want to identify. No, we will be speaking up. Consistency matters a lot. Consistency matters a lot. That's why for years now, Igbo unification we talk about. Tomorrow now, in our conference. A conference that is bringing the entire Igbo people together as one people. Politics have made our people to be lying about their identity. Imagine a community that are speaking Igbo will be telling you that they are not Igbo people. It's only in Anyam, you see, only these people that are saying that they are not Igbos, you will see them. They speak Igbo language in their community. They speak only one language. They are not bilingual. Make it be so okay that they speak Igbo, they speak Yoruba, they speak Igbo, they speak Bini. They speak only Igbo language. But if you tell them you are Igbo, they will say, no, we are not Igbo, we are Bini people. How can you be claiming that you are a Bini person, yet you don't speak Bini language? You be Bini person, not be Bini language they speak. You don't hear Bini, you don't understand Bini. Bini people that came from Yoruba, they are not identifying as Yoruba people. If you see Bini person, Bini, he go tell you here, say him be Bini, say he not be Yoruba. Why? Because he don't speak Yoruba language. He not speak Yoruba. So, even as Bini people they come from Yoruba, say Yoruba are their ancestry. You know if you call them Yoruba because they cannot identify as Yoruba. Out of Igala and some Igala people migrated from Jukun as Jukun people. They came to Igala, became the king there up till date. You will never see them tell you that we are not Igala, we are Jukun. But if you come to Anioma land here, your ancestor is not even bearing a Benin name. But because your ancestors migrated from that Idu land to their present location, you're not saying that, we are not Igbo people, we are Benin. Are you speaking Benin language? It's just like seeing the Hausa speaking community say that they're not Hausa, that they are Igbo people. It don't make sense. Yoruba person go come and say, you come to where they speak Yoruba, not be Yoruba. Say they be Igbo people. It don't make sense. It's expected for each and every one of us to identify with the language that we speak in our community. And be person will get sense. So all this one that you are saying that we know we don't speak Igbo language. What we say is what we talk about. If we want to say come, we say Bia is come. If you want to call the supreme being, Chukwu is supreme being. You call all these things, you are still saying that you are not Igbo. Who are they deceiving? They are shooting themselves in the foot, because the government of Nigeria knows that they are Igbo people. Nigeria government calls us Igbo. During Buhari regime, Buhari said that Emefiele is an Igbo man. Emefiele is from Eka in Anioma land. He said that Ibe Kachuku from Wenchubo is an Igbo man. Buhari they talk am. Why somebody where the village where we say na farm work they do come online they talk say you know be Igbo, we are not Igbo. Ignorance is a disease. I see so many ignorant people coming online to fight Igbo unification. What will they gain from such acts? Our Benin neighbors are there fighting Igbo unification. My people are not Igbos, blah blah blah. Ibanke people in those states cannot even identify with Benin people because those Benin people are marginalizing them. Benin people are marginalizing them. And Ibanke man cannot be the governor of Edo State. Imagine an Ibanke man bearing Ifeanyi Chukwuka. Many people will be against him. They will never want him to win because they know that this man is Igbo. Many people will tell you an Igbo man is not ruling Edo State. Because his name is Ifeanyi Chukwuka. You see? So, those are people saying that they're not Igbo should stop deceiving themselves. If you take these people to DNA, to do DNA tests, they will confirm that they are Igbo people. Of course, they are Igbo. They are not different from the Igbo race. People who speak Igbo language are busy saying that they are not Igbo. Is that not foolishness? Your certificate, your book, your document, everything have Igbo names. Then when it comes to Igbo identity, you say you're not Igbo, that you're a Benin person. Or believe a job one way. It's a thing of shame. It's a thing of shame. Deputy, onwe oji di nebe. You want to name my job in when you. I see me watching they can watch it. Why you can't look me like say you get oji? Say you talk about charging. Let's talk in charging. Well, sleep just dim my eye, but I just the controller. Sunday Ken Ona Fogano. We are here to solicit for funds, but I still have to come out and speak. Because I have talked to those on Facebook. They sent us something this evening. Yesterday. I also talked to those on TikTok they sent. So I want to talk here on YouTube. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. I will never deny my Igbo identity. Never. I'm an Igbo man. The name of my community is Ogume community. I am from Umuchime village in that Ogume. I'm an Igbo man. So many of my people in Ogume say that they're not Igbo people, that they are from Benin, say their ancestors come from Benin. The sweetest part of it is that there is no ancestor in Ogume that is bearing a Benin name. We are not Benin people. We are Igbo people. In my community, our masquerades are Igbo masquerades, our food, Igbo food, culture, tradition, way of life. We are Igbo people. So it's so bad for me, an Okwane person, to be telling that I'm not Igbo, that I'm a Bini person. Some people will tell you, yeah, we are from different origins. We will not trace our ancestry to Igbo land. All Yoruba people don't have the same ancestry. Some Yoruba people are Fulani people in ancestry. They have Fulani ancestry. For example, Ilorin. Some of them are even in Oyo. They're not go again. That time that Fulani invaded Oyo. Some Yoruba people are from these people. I don't forget them. Some Yoruba people have Hausa ancestry. Some have Igbo ancestry. Some have Igodomigodo ancestry. Today, they speak Yoruba. They all identify as Yoruba people. Why are our own people saying that they are not Igbo people? When there is no trace of Bini language in their language. There's no trace of Bini language in the way they thought. There's no trace of anything Bini in their culture and way of life. Everything about them is Igbo. So, identity crisis is a very dangerous thing. It's not good. So that is why we are here to speak against it. To speak against it. The venue for our conference is Jesdal Hotel in Okpanam. Very close to Okpanam City Gates. It's trackable. So if you are available, make yourself available on the 29th and 30th of August 2025. I would like to stop here because I'm feeling sleepy. I want to have some rest so that tomorrow we will start making arrangements for the venue for our conference. Remain blessed, my people. I remain Spirit Almighty and Igbo Unifier from Okwane. Thank you very much, my people. Remain blessed. Till we meet again. Our live will be going on live stream that day. So those that are not able to come, they can view the conference live on that day. Remain blessed, my people. Ishewale. Thanks for joining me. I remain your brother, Spirit Almighty from Ogume, Okwane land. Power.